What do you see? There's always something, isn't there? Things grow out of place. A thing or two needs to change. Sometimes we all need a bit of inspiration to open our eyes, to really see the home in the house, the elephant in the room, the corner that becomes your corner. Imagine if you could see how things could be. New ideas for better spaces. Second thoughts you turn into second options in just 1 second. Move a chair and flip your phone. Play around. Find out what you really like. Scroll through memories and feeds, furniture with funny names, and then, all of a sudden, things just fall into place.